And we're back to more Harvest Moon.
Hey.
Pick up and drop the dog a few times. That's how you show love. Bro, we'll be steady.
Take the sun and shove it.
There we go. Brush the horse. Nothing to hide. Oh wait, maybe. Yep, potatoes are in.
Hey, we got some potatoes.
Actually, we got a pretty good harvest today.
Yeah. It's getting money. And I accidentally throw it on the ground.
Well, that was 80 bucks. Those are coming in quickly too.
Yeah.
Everything's coming up, Cody.
Yeah.
I forget what we name this character. Or do we name ourselves?
Let's find out.
Yeah, it's probably Cody. Yep.
Oh, well. There you go. Throw up that so I can have you murder out of town.
No. Why? We're not turning the horse into a war horse.
Why? It'd be fun. It's kind of funny.
No.
Oh, I want to stop my enemies.
I don't know what is wrong with you, but there is several things wrong with you.
Yeah, well, I'm happy.
Are you?
I guess that's wrong with me.
We should probably go talk to people. Also, check our money.
Oh, come on, right. What's happening? 380.
So we're halfway there to what we want.
Yeah.
I imagine those cucumbers and potatoes might put us at...
Yeah, they might. If we need about 3,000?
Yeah.
Who did we talk to?
Wait, when did we give the guy the hammer? It's been a while.
Let's find
It's
it.
not open till 10.
Got my hammer?
There, go in. What? It's 10 o'clock.
He's not done with the hammer.
No, you can still go in and talk to him. Oh.
Yeah, when he's working on the tools,
You can't see it.
yeah, he stays locked until we're done.
Wow, that's dedication.
Yeah. I don't want any nerd full crap going on. I'm working.
I didn't eat or sleep for 3 days to make this hammer.
Like, I'd like to know how to get this rod.
I don't see us using it that much, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I don't know. It depends on how much money it would make.
You get a fair chunk for if you are good enough to catch fish. And it's really luck based on what fish you catch, so.
Yeah.
I like the more guaranteed crops, and I focus on
An animal.
Yeah. Especially cows. Cows can give 1,000 when you get gold milk.
No, that's circular.
No, they're not going to stand out in the rain and gossip.
Hey, garbage.
You're supposed to go to people's houses and You just talk to people.
Oh no, I'm trying to. I just had a thought.
What?
I'm just killing those.
That is a good question. I don't know this layout enough.
I don't either.
She lives here, doesn't she?
All right. She lives in the supermarket with her father, who gives all his product away for free.
Tough shot. It's the family fucked up.
Yeah. Yeah.
You call me something?
What?
You call me something?
I call you nothing.
That's what I thought.
You just kidding. Can I put it on credit?
Yeah, I'll gladly pay you Tuesday for a roast duck today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I can't afford it yet. But someday.
Yep. Soon we will afford it. I just like how they don't care if you walk into their houses.
No, this is like small town friendliness. Oh, welcome to my town. Oh, well, bye.
I walked in, I'm like,
We are not being friends with the mayor, I take it. No, that should be a person we should really suck up to. Got to see old Granny, have you? There's a small burner there. Steve takes it out for me when I'm going to cook. He stands on that chair there. One time he fell over, I laughed my ass off.
oh, I laughed my ass off too, Granny.
Granny doesn't get much chuckles these days.
You got any money I can have?
Well, that's an awkward topic to have just on your bookshelf. Especially with a small child running around.
Wait.
I know this is supposed to be aloe vera or something, but they look like another type of plant.
I know it's like your friend. There's 2 beds in this house, and there's 3 people living in this house.
Yeah, children sleep in the same bed.
There's only 1 child in here, though.
Well, the mom probably sleeps with the child.
That's right.
And Granny has a bed to herself. Or Granny just never leaves her chair. That's another thing.
Yeah. Granny probably doesn't leave that chair. It's probably molded to her.
Yeah. Granny doesn't have to legs to walk. Still break a foot off in your ass, though. Hey, Sue. I think that her name is Sue.
I'm pretty sure it's Mary.
Talk to her and find out. Clear that one up, because we had this debate before. Oh, yeah, right. It doesn't actually give a name.
Yeah.
I swear, someone called her Sue.
Of course, nameplate wouldn't say it. Nope. Flower books are boring. Oh, here's a good place.
The bar? Oh, no, afternoon wino.
Hey, oh, God.
Good. Have you read the book Basil wrote? The library has a lot of copies. I don't know why I'm giving her the old woman voice I gave everyone else. The books are about this village is most popular. The books about this village is most popular than the book about plants. The Basil may have mixed feelings. But give it a read. It may be useful.
You're right. It will be useful as a firecracker.
Good old-fashioned book for PJ's face for you.
Where you going?
You in a hurry, buddy? You off somewhere? It is pretty interesting.
I still don't know where you're going. Let's find out. Oh, what a thunk it! If the door was locked, I'd be like, what the hell?
You know, they're doing some reading in the library.
You said that before. Say something interesting.
Well, look, who gets to be right.
Woohoo! For once in my life.
And if you ever figured out the joke I was trying to pull,
Not really.
Mary Sue.
Oh, damn it.
Yes, my jokes are that elaborate and that lame. Yeah, no, we want as much money as possible. I kind of have a feeling we're not going to get enough for.
It might get us close.
But then,
I don't know if I can finish the door. That goes up.
you got an hour and a half.
But stop running while I'm running like an idiot.
No, that's impossible for you.
Yeah. Oh, he showed up.
No, it starts up at 5. Checking your money. Yeah, he hasn't come yet. Just punched you in the gut. No reason to. Ah,
Yeah.
Damn it.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh, well.
Is there anything scheduled for tomorrow? I feel like there was something coming up at the weekend, but yeah. French Thanksgiving Festival.
Oh, cool.
So we might as well just go to bed because we've been in the rain all day.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out if that's a day off or just.
I'm pretty sure everyone takes that day off. So we'll just do our work and go at 10.
Yeah.
And hopefully we can buy cookies for the girls.
I want to say something that you cookies early. I could be wrong.
Yeah, but I think you can buy the cookies there.
Okay. Do a little farm work because,
Yeah, we got some work to do here, sir. We don't need to hoe anything yet.
I was just insurance in the space.
No, don't do that until we're ready to plant. Especially not today when we're on time sensitive.
Okay, there's really not anything we really need to.
Just go water our plants and brush our horse.
Yeah.
And harvest that last cucumber.
Just water, make me some money. So I can get a trade, upgrade. Then I can steal everybody's stuff.
We're not stealing.
Oh, come on.
No. Behave yourself. Well.
Oh, wait, no.
Yeah, you can pump it. Hopefully by Monday we'll have a hammer that'll break it.
Move to.
Also, yeah, we'll have a decent chunk of money.
Okay.
Did you water the cucumbers?
Yes, I watered the cucumbers. What do you take me for?
An idiot. Let's go up and grab that stuff from the hot springs just to get a
little bit of money.
Yeah.
Eventually we can start making a little bit more money and getting into animals.
Yeah.
Maybe a cow to start with?
I'd recommend a cow.
Because the chickens,
I don't find they're ever worth it until you get like a whole. Well, one chicken and you can hatch the rest of them.
Yeah. But their eggs only sell for like 50.
100.
Oh, okay. That's better than I thought.
Oh wait. Oh yeah, no, golden eggs are 100. I'm pretty sure. I know the cows are a much better option because
I think
milk for 500 and golden milk for 1,000.
Oh wow. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, I ran just a livestock farm in '64.
I think boiled eggs are like 80.
Yeah.
Get on the stairs.
You don't have trouble with that controller, are you?
I always have trouble with this game. It's really like multi-level pretty easy.
Alright, let's go check out this festival. I'm assuming you can't play it.
I have a feeling this isn't even a festival. I have a feeling it's a festival that this happened pretty. If you run into a girl, you give her cookies.
I don't think so. I think it's actually you go to Camp Square.
Okay. Who are you?
You will never know.
I don't remember that guy.
It looked like Zach, but I couldn't tell.
I hate a beard. chocolate.
But let's have Jeffrey.
Oh, this is a motor milk. Okay, that runs over. Hey, where do you sell the booze? It's you.
Alright. We should try to find where these cookies are and how we get girls to like us.
Oh boy. I think that sell stuff with that cookies, but the only place that sells stuff doesn't have the cookies.
Try it and see, you might have like a specialty. Otherwise I'd check the restaurant. What's this? Bearded gentleman. Okay. Very insightful, thanks.
Are you living American?
Oh, he's the carpenter.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, you have to go get a cookie.
I have this feeling someone makes them.
Try buying them. Stop being so freaking negative.
Alright, I'll try
Always
buying.
the fucking pessimist, you.
Alright, I'll go try buying one.
Yeah.
You want me to try buying one?
Yeah, it's only 200. Nope.
Oh, we needed that.
Where do we get recipes from?
I think they're on the TV. Like there's a TV channel that
You should have been checking the TV.
and but in order to make cookies, we need to upgrade our house. And then I think we need to buy a kitchen. And can I have a cookie? Like one I could give you.
Yeah, there's that shooting, dude.
Why haven't you arrested him yet?
Too busy staring at the picture. Leave him alone. He's also the postman.
I'd laugh if he's like, I haven't arrested anybody yet. You have any cookie seeds?
No. Look, cookie player.
You're Katie and I don't trust you.
He's good for a certain,
Sure stuff.
yeah. He's definitely not a crop seller, so we won't be needing his services. Yeah. And depending on which girl you want, what you're going to need. Alright, so we can do this. So maybe it's not a holiday then for anyone, so.
No, I don't think so.
This is day 3, I suggest we check.
I think it's sort of like their version of the Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is. And then on another day, they give you something. Ooh. And I told you Rusty is finished. So what do you think? Your rucksack is full. Keep it here until next time.
I'll be super angry. Oh, so we come back and close. What?
I think it's just down the road. Time doesn't pass when you're in here. You have to do it.
Yeah. No, don't have time. Be on the floor for all care. I need this hammer.
Go! Can he make it? Oh! I don't think he closed that 4. I think he closed that 6.
Hey!
Go! Good job, Cody. You murdered an old man with the hammer he made. Oh, he closed that 4. You slid in there in time.
Let's just see what you can do.
I'm hoping the bigger boulder.
The circular one?
Yeah.
I'm hoping.
Yeah! I have a foot!
Oh, my hand!
I'll take the product that's in the bin.
Yeah, you do that!
I'll test out my new hammer. My new whacking hammer.
Right, Jimmy. Okay.
Well, I think that's where we can find power nuts.
On what?
The power nuts? There are like 7.
Oh, no.
Yeah, okay.
I think I know where to get one. I'm going to do that right now.
It would really help us.
Filter power, not take Israel. Give us more energy. That goes into a fight.
What?
Oh, is it ever creepy out here?
Yeah, we never really venture into the woods
At
at
night.
night. Probably for good reason. What we're looking for.
Come on!
Wait, are you cutting me down? I've been rooting here for 100 years. Please don't cut me down. Thank you very much. I'll give you this in return.
There we go.
Then all of a sudden here's
Oh, you can still go back on the word.
Oh, that's just a dick move.
Oh, 4 is left if you did.
Yeah.
You talk to him.
Oh, yeah. Alright, we can check the weather for tomorrow and we'll call it.
Yep.
Kind of went a little long on this episode.
Yeah. Yeah, we get that old power nap.
Oh, we should have got that really early on.
I completely forgot that even a thing. Cool. Sleep outside.
Just stop moving the door. There, you're free range now.
Yeah, sleep outside. Get cracked on the floor. Yeah.
And with that though, we'll call it here. Until next time, I'm Devin.
I'm Cody.
Thanks for watching, everyone.